We need one dog team for a road sweep and surrounding area check. Levy! Dog up!
I just don't know why you want to do this.
Yeah, I know you don't.
You don't really connect with people very well. Just so you know, running away isn't going to solve anything.
Hang up that phone! Tuck your shirt in!
Found something! Good boy.
I've been watching this dog all year. He's the most aggressive dog I've ever treated.
Does he really need another break?
It's not like he hasn't earned it.
You're getting a dog. You got this? Think faster.
Yeah, I got this. You think I'm afraid of you? Lay down. Rex, lay down. Vehicle approaching.
Guns up!
Why'd you join?
To get away from my life. We're shipping out tomorrow. We are so not ready for this.
Clear! Levy, check the vehicle!
Where's my dog? I need to see him. Oh, no.
You cannot come back to my house like some big war hero.
Back off,
Listen,
Mom!
You can't let your whole life fall apart over some dog.
That dog saved my life.
We walk through the fire.
Please just change his classification so that I can adopt him when he gets back.
They aren't pets. They're warriors.
Senator, can I just have a moment of your time? His name is Rex. He saved thousands of lives in Iraq.
What did you say your name was?
Corporal Megan Levy.
All you gotta do is fight. And you know how to fight. You're a Marine.
What would you say to Rex if he were here? I'd thank him for teaching me what love is.
Is there a way out?